I'll show you how to fix USB flash drive or memory cards that cannot be formatted when connected to your computer. Most times when people see this issue, they usually think the USB drive is damaged. But I'll show you how to solve this problem with very simple and easy to follow steps. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that the USB drive is working and can actually be fixed. To confirm this, right click on the USB drive, click on Properties, and go to the Hardware tab and look down here to see if it says this device is working properly. Otherwise, the drive may actually be damaged. Once you've confirmed that the USB drive is not physically damaged and can be fixed, open up the command prompt and run it as an administrator. Enter the command disk path. This command is used to manage connected disk. Then type list disk and make sure there's space between list and disk. Then press enter. Right here, you will see the list of disk. So identify your USB drive by size. For instance, I currently have just one drive connected and the size is 3 gigabytes. So what you want to do next is select the disk you want to work on by typing select disk and the disk number. This right here is the disk number. I have 01. Depending on how many drives you have connected at a time, yours may be more than one, but just make sure to select the particular drive you want to work on. As you can see here, it says disk 1 is now the selected disk. Next, type the command clean. This will erase all data in the USB drive. The next step is to reformat the drive so that it can become visible again in Windows. Since we just wiped the drive, we need to initialize it. And to do that, you need to open the run window by pressing Windows R and type disk mgmt.msc and press enter. In the USB drive that you just cleaned, which will always appear in black like this, right click on it and click on New Simple Volume. When the window appears, click Next and select the full size of the USB drive, which is more like saying all available space. Click Next, choose the drive letter for your USB, and then click Next again. You can give your USB a name if you like. Click Next again and click Finish. Once this is done, the USB drive will appear on your computer again just like this. If you notice, the color here is no longer black. Once this is done, you'll be able to use your flash drive again normally to format it or store files. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking this video.